Hey guys, I have a big Black Friday announcement here to make. I am doing a giveaway over on my Instagram channel, so Heather Here She Grows, and I'll include that link in the description below so you can head on over there if you want to throw your hat in the ring for this. But I am doing a Vego Garden raised bed giveaway for this 6-in-1 17-inch tall raised bed in the modern gray finish. It does not include the trellis or the solar lights. You can buy those separately, but they've got Black Friday sales site-wide up to 60% off across the whole site. So I am going to flip this around. Let me give you a close-up of what this looks like. All of this is made in America. These are from Texas. It's a food grade paint on all of this. It's approved by the USDA, and I absolutely love this growing system for my small space garden, but it would be appropriate for any garden. Okay, so here are the details. I am doing the drawing over on my Instagram, so the link will be below, so you can head on over there and throw your hat in the ring for it if you want to possibly win one of these beds. There'll be one winner chosen at random on December 1st. So I'm going to close the drawing at noon Central Time, December 1st, and draw one lucky winner at 6 p.m. Central Time on December 1st. So you have until then to enter, and all you have to do is like and follow me over on Instagram and tag someone in the comments, and that will officially enter you in the drawing, and one person will be drawn at random. So I was really excited when Vego Garden approached me to do this giveaway. It's the biggest giveaway I've ever done, and I was all in because of how much joy my garden, every part of my garden brings me, and I wanted to share that joy with you. And what better way to do that than giving you a really nice opportunity. This is a $170 value for this raised bed. What better way to help you find joy in growing something very rewarding? Maybe it's flowers or vegetables, whatever you want to grow in this, you can do that. If you decide you want to buy something in addition on the Vego Garden site, so it's vegogarden.com, you can go enter through my affiliate link, which is also in the description below. And maybe you want to get the 9-in-1 raised bed. Well, there is a special deal for that as well. So you can enter Heather Here She Grows 5% off and get an additional 5% off the 9-in-1 raised bed, the 17-inch tall bed. There's also up to 60% off site-wide, and it doesn't include bagged soil, I believe, so you'd have to pay for that separately. It's a great thing to do for Black Friday, and I'm all in on this. I think it's a wonderful opportunity to help all of you followers, and I'm so grateful for all of you that you're here and you're following along and learning, and we're all learning together. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck to all of you, and I really appreciate your support and your follows on all of my social media channels, and I look forward to announcing the winner December 1st. So good luck. See you soon.